Would you rather pay $100,000 to a Salesforce consultant or build your own custom software? I'll wait to hear your response through the camera. I can hear you talking to me. What would you rather? I just had a client who got quoted $100,000 by a Salesforce consultant. Before AI came, custom software was incredibly expensive, and $100,000 for a Salesforce consultant would make a lot of sense. AI has now come and shattered the way that we build software. Therefore, the cost and time it takes to build custom software has gone down. The complexity of building them has also gone down. So when I look at a $100,000 Salesforce implementation quote, my brain is just fried. We quote less than that to build the first two parts of very, very solid custom software. And I just want to compare both options for you. Let's compare engineering. You don't dictate the roadmap of some other company. When you build custom software, you have complete control and influence over what that is, right? So if you want a feature tomorrow, you can get a feature tomorrow. That can't be the case when you go with third-party software. The second thing let's talk about is cost. Salesforce yearly contracts are huge, and they scale up with more and more users that you have in your business, right? God knows what these consultants are going to charge you as your company scales and grows even more, right? The cost of building custom software is a one-off build fee to get the bulk of the thing done initially, and then some ongoing mandatory care and management, right? But it's not going to scale the way that Salesforce scales, and it's not going to be the cost of what the Salesforce cost is. If the software is built well, you need a very low tariff to manage that software. So already there, custom software is winning. The score is 2-0. And then the design itself, there's only so much you can do when you're using someone else's system. Yeah, Salesforce is very configurable, great. But are you telling me it's more configurable than something you've built literally brick by brick? You own the entire architecture on how this thing looks and operates. Which one do you think is going to fit your business better at the end of the day?